Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Trailmaster. This is the 15TH floor plan, and this is a single axle travel trailer, but it is also a toy hauler. Although it is small, you have plenty of features packed on the inside, such as a large bed. You also have an extra bed for if you got kids, grandkids, or guests coming along, a kitchen in the front, washroom, and plenty more. Before we get to the inside, let's start with the exterior here. On the very front, you're going to have your knobby spare tire mounted there to the frame. You have a single 20-pound propane tank, as well as a manual tongue jack and manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit. You have your auxiliary outdoor shower mounted there to the side of the trailer. And walking around the front, you'll see you got diamond plating to protect the fiberglass from stone chips and debris flying up while you're traveling. Walking around, you've got a window on this side. You'll also notice this is kind of your extra sleeping area, a fold-out canvas style compartment. Walking around the back, this is going to be your toy hauler setup. So very easy to use. It's a cableless design, assisted here by these springs. So I will open it up here and show you. Just click open this latch, pop that down, and I can do this one-handed easily. Now that that's folded down here, I do have it set up in the bed mode at the moment, but I will show you the toy hauler mode just briefly after that. Starting in the kitchen though, you're gonna have your, opening this up here, electric fridge freezer combo. You got your tiny little freezer compartment up top, your fridge down below. Opening this up here, you're gonna have a washroom nestled in right to this corner. So really everything you need in a trailer with a kitchen and a washroom. You've got your shower head up there, extra lighting, waterproof wallpaper, and your toilet down there too. The kitchen itself, you're going to have a 2-burner stovetop as well as a traditional microwave, so plenty of cooking options if you're not going to be cooking on the campsite. You still get a little bit of storage and access to plumbing on the interior, but most of your storage is going to happen with this toy hauler setup. You've got all the spare room, which will convert to this toy hauler quite easily. So this bed's going to lift up here. Bed goes out of the way. You can then fold in these legs. There's little latches there to lock in the frame so it's not going to move while you're traveling. And a nice little feature there too, they've got this table. You can pull out this table, set out some drinks, any extra things you might need throughout the day. And it's the perfect setup when you're not using the bed. That can also fold away. You're going to be able to pull all your fun toys inside this trailer nice and easily. You've got that diamond plate, hard rubberized floor, and you also have vents on the side here so you can air out any fumes that you might have with running any units you have inside this trailer. Overall, this is a fantastic small little trailer, perfect for if you want to bring your toys along with you but still have some amenities such as a kitchen, fridge, washroom, and place to sleep. And it's way better than having an enclosed cargo trailer to sleep in overnight. So if you want to see everything else this toy hauler has to offer, come on down and check this one out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.